What's up, guys? It is December 28th. I don't know when this vlog will be up, but right now I'm just updating you guys really quick. If you haven't tuned into my Vlogmas, make sure you do so. I did all 25 days until Christmas, starting from December 1st. Currently working on my Vlogmas Christmas Eve and Christmas Day vlog. They're gonna go up together, but today I'm going to get my touch up on my microblading. If you guys didn't know, I have the first vlog of my microblading on my main channel. Not really sure if I'm gonna put this video on my main channel, or I think I'm gonna just put it on my vlog channel, because it originally went on my main channel because I didn't have a vlog channel at the time. So for the people who watch my main channel, I'll just leave the link for you guys to watch it. But yeah, you guys are gonna come with me, and my mom, she's gonna be doing homework, but my mom's gonna be there, and I'm gonna get my touch up on my microblading. Thing about microblading, once you get it and you get your touch up, you're not gonna need it for a year. So you just pay for it the first initial time. The second time you pay for the touch up, and then you're good for a year. You got eyebrows. But yeah, and I didn't get my touch up because I had went to school. Golly, I had went to school, so, but my eyebrows still look good. I need to clean them up, but I didn't because I know I was going today. Alright, y'all, I'm about to leave and go to my mom's house, meet her, so I can go get the job done. Hey guys, we just got here.
Can we get to the back door? Remember it was open that time, we didn't know it was open. That back door.
Oh, maybe we could try. Is that a back? No, that's not. Okay, yeah, we're here. About to walk inside. Say hi to my vlog mom. Hi. She got her teacher glasses on. She's about to do some homework. Those are the teacher glasses, mom. It's chilly. So what? So what, mom? What? Oh, no, that's not it. Got the little fountain. That's not going.
Don't have no coats on. It's cold.
That's not the back door, though. Is it? I don't think. Oh. Oh, was it? Well, we walked all the way around last time. I don't remember. Right here. Microblading. Hey, how are you? Good.
Hi. Thanks for coming in early.
Just put that right there. That's as good as it's going to be.
Okay. So let's shave the camera off. And then turn to one side. And then look at the camera. And then the other side. Okay, I got you. Alright, you can go ahead and hop up here. I'm just gonna hold it right here so you don't fall.
That's new.
I know.
That looks fancy. Mom, look at this.
What? I know.
Look at this fancy light.
Oh, go ahead and use your film on. If you guys get too hot, I can turn the little heater off.
She's not gonna get too hot. I mean, she ain't.
Okay, so I'll put them up a little bit.
See,
It looks like you took pretty good care of them.
you know, I tried.
And you came, what, in July?
The end of June. It was like the 20-something.
You did good.
Thanks. Everybody thought I had eyebrows the whole time. They did. People were like, where did you get your eyebrows done? I was like, what? Come on, girl. You know.
My mom just left.
She just left?
Yeah, I cleaned up her eyebrows for her.
You
20 minutes. I can kind of outline it.
Okay.
And let you see it, and then if you want to tweak it,
Okay.
go ahead and do that. Okay, just go ahead and close your eyes. That is a lot better.
Y'all want to see?
Yeah. You will just pretend. I got another one. Okay. Here's your blade.
Sorry guys, I'm terrible at self-vlogging. This is the ink stuff. You go through this 3 times and then you're done. So this is 1, this is 1, and 2, 2, 3, 3, and then you're done. But my arm's hurting, so I'll be back.
Okay, let me brush.
It's like, you see it, right? It's like right in my eyeball.
Yeah, when I get irritated ones like that, I just pull it, but then I look bald. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe you want to try?
Okay, let me see. Oh, thanks.
Here's your grand reveal. You feel good?
Yeah.
I'm glad we did that on the ends.
I want to see it like in my taking the after photos, guys. Set it down last time. Alright guys, I'm done. Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Okay, got my little care package. Well, do you want something else?
See ya.
It's looking a little greasy right now because I got this cream on, but do you? Oh. Yeah, it's pretty chilly. Look at that. Alright guys, we are at, I think it's called Gap C, a pizza place in Dallas, and I got this to drink. She can't get in the chair. Would you get the drink? Oh. Yeah, we about to eat.
What? Bitches on my dick. So what? It don't matter.